Okay, go ahead. Okay, subframe is all the way back on both sides. Go
Okay,
ahead and
then.
start tightening them.
That is back further.
And Garrett, what's that, Rob?
It is back further than when the factory said.
Yes, yes, and we need it
By
as,
about a quarter.
yeah, we need to make it as far back as possible.
That's good.
Yep, go for it, Garrett. Snug all of them just a little by little.
Battery might be dead.
Is it?
Okay, just hand ratchet or use
No,
the
it's not
impact.
dead. It was just.
Oh, the battery comes out.
Okay. Yeah, that's quite a bit further back.
Yeah, you're gonna need it with the tires.
Yeah. Ooh, sorry. Okay. I was wondering how to do that. I want to see where you cut that.
I'll show you.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So I'm doing it on both sides here. Snug them down. Okay, yeah. So check it out, Rob. So right there is,
Yep.
you just got to be careful. There's brake lines right there. So you get in between
Yep.
the unibody and then the frame, and you pry on it. So that's why I had the rag.
Oh yeah, you could put it right in the brake line if
right.
you're careful.
Yeah, you got to be super careful. So you just kind of like, you could see it without the rag, but it's going to go right like there. And then you just give it a little pry.
Perfect.
Pushes the whole thing backwards.
Yeah.
You have plenty of tire clearance.
Yep.
Okay, Garrett, let's go ahead and torque those to what, 165?
Now, when we're doing the alignment, the final alignment, we're not going to be aligning the cradle anymore, right?
Nope,
You're
no.
only aligning the
Suspension.
suspension.
Yes. Yep.